Ever been overwhelmed by the complexity of video production? The AI Video Bundle comes to the rescue, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that simplify and enhance the creative process. Today, we delve into this remarkable bundle, starting with the Faceless AI Video Workshop. The Faceless AI Video Workshop is a game-changer. It uses advanced facial recognition technology to allow users to create captivating content while maintaining their privacy. No longer are creators tied to the lens. The focus can now be on the message. Next, we have the AI Video Reels Autopilot system. This ingenious component uses AI algorithms to analyze your content and automatically arrange clips into a cohesive story. It's about creating narratives that captivate, without the usual fuss. The Realistic AI Host and Virtual Studio Bundle brings a touch of realism to your videos. With lifelike AI hosts and customizable virtual studios, you can create a professional and immersive environment that enhances the viewing experience. The AI YouTube Traffic Accelerator is all about maximizing your reach. This tool uses AI to provide insights into trending topics, optimal posting times, and audience preferences. It's about giving your videos a competitive edge in the crowded YouTube landscape. The Magic AI Thumbnail Maker is all about first impressions. This tool analyzes your video content to generate eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click, increasing your video's discoverability. The AI Script Architect for YouTube transforms ideas into well-structured scripts. By understanding your content and audience, this feature helps you create compelling scripts that resonate with viewers, enhancing the overall quality of your videos. The AI Video Editing and Special FX Secrets component empowers creators with advanced editing capabilities. From seamless transitions to stunning special effects, this feature allows you to elevate your video production skills. Finally, the AI Sound Design Bundle enhances the auditory experience of your videos. With AI-driven sound design tools, you can create immersive soundscapes that complement your visuals, delivering a well-rounded and engaging viewing experience. In summary, the AI Video Bundle offers an all-in-one solution to video production challenges. From faceless videos to AI-driven editing, from traffic acceleration to sound design, this bundle has got you covered. It's about unleashing your creativity, enhancing your skills, and revolutionizing your content. So, why wait? Start exploring the AI Video Bundle today and take your video production to the next level.